This simple guide will show you how to set up automatic weekly stock buys on Moomoo. If you're looking to streamline your investing and ensure consistent contributions to your portfolio, then this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to open the Moomoo app on your device. This app is your gateway to managing your investments easily and efficiently. Once you've got the app open, you will need to navigate to the Accounts section. You can do this by tapping on the Accounts icon, which will bring up a range of options for managing your investments. Here, you'll want to select All. This will give you a comprehensive view of all your account details and trading options. Next, under the Trade section, look for the Auto Buy feature. This is the tool that allows you to set up automatic purchases, ensuring that you're consistently investing in the stocks of your choice without the need to manually make purchases every week. Tap on Auto Buy to proceed. Now, it's time to choose the stock you want to invest in. Consider which stocks align with your financial goals and investment strategy. Once you've selected the stock, you'll need to enter your investment amount. This is the amount of money you wish to allocate to buying shares of this particular stock every week. Make sure it's an amount that fits comfortably within your budget while contributing meaningfully to your investment goals. After entering your investment amount, you'll need to select weekly as the frequency for your purchases. This ensures you're buying shares every week, allowing you to benefit from dollar-cost averaging, which can help reduce the impact of market volatility over time. The next step is to choose a specific day of the week for your automatic buys. Think about your schedule and financial habits when picking a day. Perhaps you want it to coincide with your payday or another day that makes sense for your financial planning. Once you've chosen the day, go ahead and tap Confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully set up automatic weekly stock buys on Moomoo. By taking these simple steps, you're not only simplifying your investment process, but also ensuring that you're consistently building your portfolio over time. Remember, investing regularly can help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals more effectively. Happy investing.